Hello good people of the internet and very welcome to yet another video here on the channel. I hope you enjoyed the last one which I put up there, the camping trip, the 3-day or almost 3-day camping trip with the boat. I really enjoyed it, it was really nice. I had some problem uploading it, though it should have been out there like a week earlier than it was, but anyways. It's out there now. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you haven't watched it, please do. I'll probably link it up here somewhere if you're on YouTube on your computer, or check at the end of the video, or check my channel. Yeah, see where it's at, because it was a really nice trip. So I'm back here today at the boat again. I'm on standby in the clown world at work, so I can't really go anywhere far. I need to be able to go out and fly if somebody needs me to do that. So yeah, but I can still be down here in the boat. I don't have that far to go home, and yeah, be able to get out to the airport. So I'm gonna do some stuff down at the boat today. I have some electrical stuff I want to fiddle around with, just some small things here. I want to run some cables, and yeah, nothing really super serious, just some tweaking to do here on the boat. But I went and got something that is really nice, that we really need. And it is, let's see here, let me zoom down here or pan down here. These are plastic floor tile systems made from 100% recycled plastic, made in Sweden. So that's probably pretty good. They are, as you might understand, the plastic flooring that I want to put underneath the mat here that is in the bottom of the boat here, because it tends to get, not in the front here, but it's easier to lift up here, I'll show you. It tends to get a little bit wet underneath here, and you can see some small like animals running around there maybe also. That's not that nice, I think. And it's mostly because it's so moist down here, and especially out in the back of the boat when we're swimming and we're jumping down and the floor gets wet here, the mat, and yeah, it tends to get a little bit not too nice down there, a little bit too moist. So I'm gonna cut these floor tilings up, and they are like a puzzle. You can put them together. I don't know if it shows, and I'll try to, yeah, fix that as good as I can and see if it fits down on the floor here. It's a nice little job to do when I'm on standby at work, and also the weather today, it's not really that fun to be out boating anyways. It's quite windy actually, so it wouldn't be nice to docking and undocking here from the docks. So yeah, I'm gonna have myself a little snack here, maybe a little bit lunch soon, and yeah, then start doing some flooring, some tiling on the floor here. And it's really good. I actually got this tip from one of, oh, you can hear windy outside maybe. I got this tip from one of my colleagues at work who's had a boat for a couple of years, and he told me this is a good thing to do just to keep yeah, the moisture out of the carpets, the mat. And I might also, if there's some leftovers from these tilings, I'm thinking about putting them in the back of the boat here, where we put down all the anchor and the anchor lines. Maybe if it's enough to maybe put 2 layers or at least 1 layer, because the anchor line is wet and it's moist back there and probably a little bit moldy and stuff. Would be nice to get all the lines and the anchor, at least have some air under it, so maybe it dries a little bit faster. That's probably good. Yeah, so I got my work cut out for me, and hope I don't get called out on standby. Enough of the clown world. I've been there for a couple of days now, flying and running around. So yeah, I want to do some real life stuff here. Okay, there we have it. The floor is finished. Let's move my legs over here. Yeah, took a little time. I didn't stress through it. I made some mistakes though, but we have some spare parts over here, and I think these two guys that I actually did mess up will come in. Oh, let me show you. I think these two guys, these are my two mistakes. They will probably come in handy behind here in the back, where it's hard to see, behind there the anchor and all of the yeah, I have some spare lines there also. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. This floor is really good. It's really nice to stand at. I'm gonna put down the carpet here also. Let's see what that looks like. So I've been having it outside here. It's been laying in the sun and just drying up, and probably we got rid of some I don't know, some small bugs that were yeah, in there. But okay, let me go and get the carpet and we'll put it up, put it down here. Not put it up, put it down here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay, so we have a fresh mat from the outside, fresh carpet. Let's put it down there. Oh, it's the wrong way. Ah, I rolled up the wrong way. It's smaller at the top, closer to the camera. So I can't roll it out, but we can slide it out like this. Yeah, this looks really good, guys. Really, really nice. And oh, this is a good thing actually. The carpet, the mat stays more still on the floor than it did before, because it was slipping around a little bit when it didn't have anything underneath it. So this is good. So now whenever if it rains or if it comes water down, sipping down here, it will not, hopefully not get stuck too much in the mat. It will go down here, and yeah, it's like I would say 6-7 millimeters thick, this plastic tiling. That's what it's called, plastic tiling. It looks like this. Yeah, awesome. So that's probably going to improve like the air in here also, because when this mat is moist and it gets kind of rank, the air in here, so you need to like sometimes just let it dry up a bit. Okay, so I am going to take the spare parts that I had back there, and I'm going to, it's a little bit hard to film out there. I'll probably go out and just put them down there and measure and cut and yeah, see what happens, and I'll show you the results afterwards. Yeah, it's hard to film out here. It's quite windy, but down here, I don't know, it's maybe too dark in here, but I don't know if you can see it. Oh, the lines are really wet here because of the rain and everything. So yeah, on the bottom here, I would like to have these plastic tilings sit. So yeah, let me fix that. Yeah, so I actually took the time and I cleaned the well out here. I don't know what you call it, the anchor well maybe. And yeah, just to show you guys it, I felt so proud of myself taking care of the boat here. So I cleaned it out. Let's see if it can focus down there. So now it's a little bit clean, and I'm gonna use one of these spare parts and try to measure out like exactly how big I need to cut it. I would like to be able to put 2 layers of this tiling on the bottom here. That would be nice, because you can see the I don't know if you can see the light little dot there in the picture. That is actually the drainage hole for the whole well here. So it would be nice if the tiling could be higher than the hole, of course. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna measure out and cut some pieces. Just wanted to show you that I take care of my boat and just how nice it could be there. Yeah, look at this, because you see water pours in when because it's really close to the water line. Let's see if we can show you that. I don't know if you can see it over there. But the hole is really close to the water line. So yeah, let me cut something out and see what we get. Oh, and look at that boat. I hope I can zoom in. He has got a nice windmill on the back there. That would be awesome. A day like today would make a lot of power. Cool. Okay, so I got 2 layers of the tiling in here, and it's so dark down here, but I think this will be good. It's like at the same level as the top of the hole there where it drains out, but yeah, I think this will do actually. It's a little bit floppy here, but the weight of the whole anchor line and everything will weigh it down, and probably the plastic will bend, and yeah, it's good that it's a little bit suspended also. So this is good. I like this. So I got the anchor line up there. It's currently drying out a little bit, and I saw something that really caught my attention. It is yeah, this is the connection. This is the only connection between the chain, which seems to be what do you call it, stainless steel. It's not rusting. Yeah, but this guy is rusting. That's the connection between the whole line and the anchor. And there is the anchor, by the way. I can unfold it and show you what it looks like. But yeah, this guy, we need to replace it. It looks a little bit scary. I don't want this to break when I go out and anchor up. But let me just show you what the anchor looks like. Yeah, so this is what my anchor looks like. It's really efficient. It really grabs down on into the mud or the soil or whatever is on the bottom, and it yeah, it's quite easy. You can, like, if it gets stuck, it's really it's easy to break it loose also, because of those, what do you call it, those grabbers being a little bit able to move around, so you can jiggle it yeah, loose if you need to. So this is a really good anchor. I'm really happy that I got this with the boat. Yeah, but this is on the to-do list. Get a new coupling in between here. Okay, dudes, let's have a look at what the result is, and it's this. Let's see if we can focus in there. It's still so dark in here. So now we have the anchor line here. It's dried up a little bit, and it's raised up from the bottom of the of this well, which is good, so it won't get or it has the chance to dry out a little bit better than before. Yeah, this actually took a little bit more time today than I expected to do with the floor, and this I didn't have too much time to do any electrical stuff here, but that's fine. I still got a lot of stuff to do, and it's also nice to have some projects a little bit yeah, in the open, so to say, so I have something to do. I know there's always something to do down here at the boat when I get down here. So that will have to do with a little shorter video today, but I'm really happy with the floor. Yeah, electrical systems, always something to do there, so I'll do that next time. And I didn't get called out to work today, so that was good. Yeah, so short little video, this one. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, dudes, have a super awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.